Welcome to a new episode of Secrets of Curiosity. Our solar system is a busy place, a cosmic dance of planets, moons, and asteroids. But have you ever wondered, with all this movement, why don't planets ever crash into each other? It seems like chaos, but it's actually a system of incredible order. The answer lies in a delicate balance of immense forces and the vastness of space itself. Today we're exploring the celestial mechanics that keep our planetary neighbors in their lanes. The undisputed king of this cosmic ballet is gravity. The Sun, being the most massive object by far, exerts a powerful gravitational pull on everything in the solar system. This is what locks the planets into orbits, constantly pulling them towards the center as they try to fly off in a straight line. It's a perfect balance between the planet's forward momentum and the Sun's inward pull. Think of it like a tether ball. The ball wants to fly away, but the rope, gravity, keeps it swinging around the pole, the Sun. Each planet has its own rope and its own circular path, or orbit. These orbits don't cross each other. They are like separate, concentric lanes on a giant cosmic highway. It's hard to comprehend the sheer scale of our solar system. The distances between these orbital lanes are immense. For example, the distance between Earth and our nearest neighbor, Mars, at their closest approach is still over 54 million kilometers. This vast emptiness acts as a huge buffer zone, making collisions incredibly unlikely. This order wasn't accidental. It was forged in the very birth of our solar system. About 4.5 billion years ago, the solar system formed from a giant rotating disk of gas and dust. As the Sun ignited in the center, the remaining material began to clump together. Objects in stable, nearly circular orbits survived, while those in chaotic, collision-bound paths either crashed into larger bodies or were ejected from the solar system entirely. What we see today are the stable survivors of this early, violent era. Sometimes, the orbits of different bodies can influence each other in a stable, repeating pattern. This is called orbital resonance. A great example is Pluto and Neptune. For every 3 times Neptune orbits the Sun, Pluto orbits exactly twice. This 3-2 resonance ensures they never get too close, preventing a collision even though their orbital paths appear to cross. It's a gravitational sweet spot that adds another layer of stability. The solar system is, in a way, a self-cleaning system. Over billions of years, the gravitational influence of the giant planets, especially Jupiter, has acted like a cosmic bouncer. It has cleared out most of the debris and rogue objects that could have posed a threat, either by flinging them out of the solar system or absorbing them. So the reason planets don't collide is a beautiful combination of factors. The Sun's dominant gravity creating stable, separate orbits, the vast distances between them, a formation process that filtered out instability, and the subtle organizing influence of orbital resonances. It's not a coincidence. It's the result of the fundamental laws of physics playing out on a grand scale over billions of years. The cosmic dance is one of precision and harmony, not chaos. What other secrets of the universe are you curious about? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, stay curious.